What's up, y'all? Tune in with your boy. We gonna make a new video today. First of all, let's get this out the fucking way. Alright, now that that's out the way, let me just move my chair over. Alright, there we go. Now that we got that out of the way, we can get to what we really came here to do. You feel me? Without further ado, yeah, we're gonna be unboxing that Taurus. The Taurus, yeah. The GX4. Taurus GX4. Micro compact. I got the flat dark earth from the black. I got it in all black for you all black freaks. And I know y'all gonna be like, oh my God, it's not a Glock. Oh, it's not a Glock. Oh, it's not a Glock. I know. I got Glocks too. Calm down. Hold your horses. Chill out. You feel me? Without further ado though, let's get down to this gun. Let's see what it's about really. First of all, out the gate, comes stippled. Grip stippled already. Plus, if you're a stipple type of person, some people prefer not to. But me, I like it. So, it's perfect. You know, a little 9mm. The thing is with this though is, it's kind of like with the Hellcat. The Hellcat hold 10, I think, or 11. I think I hold 11 like this. But they hold 11. Plus 1, that's 12. You get that plus 2 extension, that's 14. Or 13 plus 1, so 14, you know. You get my drift. Alright. Doesn't weigh that much. It weighs the same, loaded, unloaded almost. Comes with 2 mags. That is not a dummy round. And I know y'all gonna be wondering what that is, because a lot of people don't know what that is. Never seen it before, never heard of it. That is the CCI. Shotgun, 9mm Luger. Yes. Do I got one? Pull it out for you. That's what that look like. Got a little. Y'all can hear that? Got the little bees in there, little BBs. You can get 10 of them for $20 at Bass Pro. I got 10 of them for $20. Also got the jalapenos. Yes, sir. You know, and those are Hornady critical defense not super subsonic. Oops, this gun doesn't break down like your typical gun. Oh yeah, for you gun freaks, yes, it is clear. So don't come asking me, oh, you're pointing a loaded gun, da da da. No, I'm not. But you don't take this gun down like your average gun. You need a tool, like a knife, a handy dandy knife. Oh, the cool thing about this knife is what? Holds your lighter too. But with this gun, what you disassemble it is, you take, see that? See how it's up and down? It's vertical. You take your tool of whatever sort, put it in there, rotate it horizontal, and boom, comes off. Easy, just assemble. That fast. And you know, typical handgun shit, Glock, Ruger, Proceed. Pop out. Barrel. Guy rod. That's how you disassemble this. Put it back together. Same way you took it apart. Make sure your barrel's seated right. Then you put your guy rod in. Once your guy rod in and you feel like your barrel's up. Your barrel's clutch. Trigger functionality works. Alright. You want to slide back like that. Get your tool. Turn it vertical. And yeah. And in this mag, I already got loaded. It goes shotgun, hollow, shotgun, hollow, shotgun, hollow. This mag, I'm gonna do all hollows. Then I got federal ammunition for the range. You feel me? That's the breakdown of this Taurus GX4. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget, follow your boy Pyro Cowboy. Don't forget to follow me, you feel me? Oh yeah, this little thing. Perfect. This is not my everyday carry, but yeah. It's perfect for everyday carry. A purse pistol for your lady. Yeah. Hold 11 rounds. That's all you need. 3 to get them off you for real. Or if you're ever in that situation, hopefully no one ever has to be in that situation, not to defend themselves like that. But hey, it's life. This world is crazy. Well, no. But look. Giveaway. $250 giveaway when I get 100 subscribers. When I reach 100 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a $250 giveaway. So, y'all can tune in for that. Go run up my subscribers. What I'm at right now, 31 subscribers. Give me to 100 for that $250 giveaway. You feel me? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That's the only way to get entered into the giveaway. Like, comment, subscribe. That's all you gotta do. And that's free. No charge, no nothing. It's free. Just go like, comment, and subscribe to your boy channel, man. Just do that for me and we good. Leave that comment so that you could be entered into that drawing for that $250 once I hit 100 subs. We're going to send that Cash App, PayPal, Zelle, gift card, however we got to do it. Cash if you live in my city. So, yeah, we'll do it like that. Y'all be safe, stay dangerous, stay legal. You feel me? We're going to get there. I'm going to probably review my XD next, my XDM probably. I don't know. Stay tuned though. We're gonna be dropping a lot of heat for y'all. And yeah, I'm about to get some customs too, so stay tuned for them. And you know, go subscribe to your boy channel. Go subscribe to my bro channel too. It's called the Aquatic Zoo. Go subscribe to his shit too. Yeah, he finna be doing his giveaway because he just hit 100. So y'all better go leave comments and like them videos if y'all want that money, man. Free $250. All you gotta do is like, comment, and subscribe. And you on your phone right now doing nothing. So what it is. Go holler at your boy. Come holler at your boy. Peace. Taurus GX4. about these.
Honestly, the longer the barrel, which wide, right? The longer the barrel, the more accurate. This is another. I have trouble with this. This is like the trigger bar. Other people love that thing.
That's probably for the 380. And it's Taurus. That's crazy. Or the single stacks. That's a double stack, so it's too big. This is max too big. Record from that side? Nobody's over there. Oh shit, check that one.
We can share.
No, I said, do you want to record from that side? That's the question.
Right past them. Wait.
It's battleship. You take turns around, sit the other side. Me and Yo can play every time. That'd be fun, yeah.
I've almost beat him one time.
So you want to grab it?
A second.
Oh, grab it.
So I shoot the bottom, you shoot the top.
Yeah. That's what I said. I'm shooting the top. I'm about to read it. I'm a little free.
Let me know. Do it like this.
Because he's out of no. So how you try to do it first?
I'll ask, does it go in like this? Like, does the bullet is out?
That way. For sure. Lay in.
Here, use it. Here, use a.
Let's see what leg. Let me do it. How many you got in here? 3. Press down first. And good, you start around the feet.
this way?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't ever turn that.
I'm what?
I know. Just making sure, bro. But yeah, alright. Yeah.
Does that mean it's already one in the head?
Yeah, so point and shoot. Both hands. Go. It's empty. Clear. Hey, okay, see it. Two of them on the shit. Yeah, two of them. Three of them, four of them. The two on that bottom big one, two on the top one. Cause I ain't counting the top one on that top thing right there, cause I shot that.
Yes.
But the other ones you shot, yeah, for sure. Two right there, two up there. Two and two. I got 3 shots. Down a point.
I was shooken. I'm still shaking.
I just want to test this. Yes, I can. This says no steel cases. This brass. No steel cases.
What's that?
No.
Remember, you gotta call it. If you're hitting something that big,
Yeah.
wherever you think would be appropriate cost, challenging. Is that a good distance? You got
Right on top.
what do you want? You want the top?
I'll take the top. Okay.
Max is only 5 bullets. We should.
5.
Does this go?
The 11 hit your hand.
Ooh. I didn't know it was 11. I was shooken.
Yeah, I just bought one of those in Texas.
That's not bad for your first time. Like shooting in a while. That wasn't bad. That was nice.
Thank you. I felt it though.
There's still 2 in that other box. What happened?
Whenever I went to load it, something popped out. So there might have been one chamber.
There's one detention.
So do I have to do it again?
No, you put a new one in there. You place the one. You put one in and it just popped one out.
Yeah, I'm not sure where it is. So
My 5. I lose you 5.
Okay.
I'll just see maybe if it's right here. I'll see if I can see it.
There's 22 cents each.
Okay, so here it is right here. Okay. I'll take the top.
Bullseye.
You did it. boom.
basically, like, even though my
Power
top
tools.
square, I'm shooting your tips.
You kill my baby.
You know what I mean? Like, so
But I got
you're
your
the top
engine because the
square,
engine's already in the
I'm the
back.
bottom.
That's cool. That's cool. It's smoking in
Watch, I'm
there.
going boom, boom, boom,
It's all those
boom.
circles the first time.
That's funny. You want to shoot a different gun?
The red circle or just
Yeah,
as long as
You
you
only
break
got
the white
15
line.
minutes. Not even.
Otherwise,
So?
Ian Yoke would still be playing all that.
Be right back, guys. I'm gonna go run out of.
Now let me
Glock
shoot my
24.
5.
Yep, she wants to shoot her.
I'm gonna shoot my 5.
She wants to shoot her 5 first.
Or use that.
Yeah, me and Yoke were the absolute blue line last time. We had a lot of misses. Me and Jeff were the absolute blue line. We had a lot of misses.
Here you go. Embarrassing.
I hit boom. I hit another one of that. It was close.
That's cool, but you gotta hit one in each circle.
Yes.
Yeah, alright. I'm gonna go run out this. I'll be right back.